First of all, to discuss about factor. What is mean by factor? A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly and without leaving a remainder. For example, factor of 12 is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 6, comma 12. That means 1 divides 12, 3 divides 12, 4 divides 12, 6 divides 12, 12 divides also 12. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 is a factor of 12. For example, 16 there. So, a factor of 16 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16. For example, 16 is divided by 12. 2, 8 ja 16. So, remainder is 0. That's why 2 is a factor of 16. Next, a multiple. A multiple of number is a number that is the so multiple. A number that is product of a given number multiple can be observed in the multiple multiplication table. For example, 2 table. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14. That's why 2 10 ja 20. Therefore, 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 comma 12 comma 49. So a multiple of 2. Next example, multiple of 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18, 3 7 ja 21. So that's why 3 multiple table. So multiple of 3 is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 is 21. Next, a twin prime numbers. A twin primes are a pair of primes which differ by 2. The first twin primes are 3 comma 5. That means 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, differ is 2. Therefore, 3 comma 5 is a twin primes. For example, 5 comma 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Therefore, 5 comma 7 is a twin primes. Next, for example, find the LCM. First of all, definition of LCM. The smallest common positive number that is the multiple of 2 or more numbers. Example, the least common multiple. LCM means least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15. 3 and 5 have other common multiples such that 30 and 45 etc. But they are all larger than 15. For example, here 3 multiple 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 6 ja 18. For example, 5, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 12, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. Here 15 15 is a lowest common multiple. Therefore, multiple of 5, 3 is a 15 is the answer. Next of definition of HCF. The greatest number that is a factor of 2 other numbers. Example, G of 12 and 60 is 4 because 1, comma 2 and 4 are common factors. The both of 12 and 16 and 4 is the greatest them. For example, here factor of 2, 1, 1 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12, 6 2 ja 12, 12 1 ja 12. Next, 1 16 1 ja 6, 2 8 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, 16 1 ja 16. Therefore, this is a common factor 4. Therefore, 4 is the greatest common factor. Next, to type of methods LCM. First method prime factors, second method division method, third method as per Vedic maths. So find next prime factorization methods. For example, here 1360 is given. So first of all, factor of 30, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Here 36, write down 36. Okay. Next 60 factor. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 5 ja 16. So common factor, 2 is a common factor, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor. Remaining 3 comma 5. Here 2, 2, 3. Remaining 3 comma 5. 3 into 5, that is called multiplies. This is called 180. Next LCM 4, 12, 24. Factor of 4, factor of 12, factor of 24. So LCM of 4 comma 12 comma 24. Here 2 2 3. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 3. Sorry, 4 4 3 ja 12. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24. Common factor, 2 common factor, 2 common factor, 3 is a common factor. So 2 2 3, remaining 2 here, remaining 2, right? That is the answer is 24. Now division method. So find the LCM of 2490. So first of all, 2 here, 2 12s are 24, 2 45s are 90, 3 4s are 12, 3 15s are 45. Now LCM of 2490, 2 into here 2, here 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 15 and 15, get answer 360. That answer. Now here next. So and another problem, find the LCM 21, 35, 42. So here 7 3 are 21, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42. Now 3 1 are 3 and 5, 3 2 are 6. Here LCM of 21 and 35, 42 is equal to 7. Here 7 and 7. 3 and 3. Here 2 remaining, here 5. Here 2, here 2. So total multiplies, this is called answer 210. Now next another problem. So as per Vedic maths. So LCM of 12 comma 15. So you write down first of all fraction 12 by 15. 3 4 ja 12, 3 4 ja 12. Here 3 5 ja 25. The smallest form divide with 3. Next. So here 2, here 12 into 5 60, 15 into 4 60. Therefore As per Vedic maths, 12 comma 15 LCM is equal to 60. Next, another problem. Find the LCM of 21, 35, 42. So here 21, 35, first of all, two numbers taken. Here smallest form, first of all write down fraction 21 by 35 is equal to 7 here 3 ja, now 7 5 ja 35 here 3 by 5 smallest form divide with 7. Next, LCM of here 21 into 5 and 3 into 35 is equal to 105. So step 2, remaining here 42 is there, here 105. So remaining number 42 comma 105. So first of all write down fraction 42 comma 105. Here 7 6 are 7 15 ja, okay. Next 3 2 ja 3 5 ja, smallest form is 2 comma 5. Now here LCM of 41 at 5 here 42 into 5 2 into 105, this is equal to 210. So LCM of 21, LCM of 21 35 40 is equal to 210. Next, another problem. Type of method of GCF గా సాగు కనుగొను పద్ధతులు. First prime factors, division method and Vedic maths. First prime factors, find the division. Here given number 36 and 48. So here 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja. Here write down 3 here, here, right, right. 2 8 ja, 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja. Here 2 24 ja 48, 2 12 ja 24, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6. Now common factor of 36 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into is equal to 12. Therefore here lines is given. Now first of all factor of 36 is equal to 2 into here 2 into 3 into 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. Here 48, the 4 and 2 common factor 2 2 and 3, 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. This is called GCF 36 and 48. Next, another problem. Prime factors, same method. So here factor of right here 2 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6. Here 2 15 are 30, 3 5 are 15, 2 3 are 6. Here 3 5 are 3 5 are not is there. 3 5 are 15. Here 2 8 are 36, 2 9 are 3 3 are. Now common factor of 12, 30, 36 is first of all lines is given. Okay. Next, right. First of all 12 factors 2 into 2 into 3. Right. 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. 30. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. 2 is not there. Okay, here 3. Now factor of 36. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So common factor 2 3. Therefore, 2 3 ja 6. That is answer. Next, division method. First of all, 56, 64 and 40, 56 answer here. So 56 1 ja 56, remaining here 8 is there. 8 7 ja 56, remainder is 0. Second problem, so now GCF is equal to 8. Next problem, 4 10 ja 40, remaining 16 here. 16 2 ja 32, 36, 32, remaining 8. 8 5 ja 40. Now GCF is equal to 8. Find the GCF. Another problem, 18, 27, 36. Now 3 6 ja 8, 3 9 ja 27, 3 12 ja 36, 3 2 ja 3 3 ja 3 4 ja. Now here GCF only here 3 into 3 is 9. That is called GCF. So here LCM find out 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 4. That is called total number multiply here. Find the LCM. Only 3 into 3 here multiply with is a GCF. Now another problem. So 32, 64, 96, 108. So GCF. Okay. Right. ACF. 32. 216 ja, 232 ja, 248 ja, 264 ja. 28 ja, 216 ja, 224 ja, 232 ja. 24 ja, 28 ja, 212 ja, 216 ja. 22 ja, 24 ja, 26 ja, 28 ja. 21 ja, 22 ja, 23 ja, 24 ja. Now GCF only here. This is called GCF. How many twos there? 5 twos cut. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is equal 32. Therefore, 32, 64, 96, 128 GCF 32. Here, as per Vedic, find the GCF 12 18. So, smallest form 12 8. So, 6 2 ja here, 6 3 ja 18. Now, here 12 is divided by 2 and 18 is divided by 3. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja. Therefore, 6 is a GCF. Now, find the GCF of 12, 30, 36. So, first have taken two numbers. Here, two numbers. 12 by 30. So, 6 2 ja 12, 6 5 ja 30. Here, write 2 by 5 smallest form. Now 12 by 2, 30 by 5. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 6 ja. Therefore, 6 is a GCF 2 numbers. Remaining here there, now 36. Now 6 by 36. 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Remaining is 1 by 6. Next, 6 by 1, 36 by 6. 6. 6 6 are here 36. Therefore, GCF is equal to 6. Here, cross multiplications, all of you. Find the GCF 40, 56. Here, 40, 56. Smallest one. 8 5 ja, 8 7 ja. Small 5 by 7. Now here 40 by 5, 56 by 7. This is equal to 8. 12 and 18. 12, 18. 6 2 ja, 6 3 ja, 2 by 3. Here 12 by 2, 18 by 3. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 6 ja is equal to GCF is equal to 6. Now The next, the product of any two numbers is equal to product of their LCM and HCF. For example, find LCM HCF of 18, 27. Now, first of all, you find the LCM. Here, 3 6 are 3 9 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, LCM of 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 18 3 ja 54. LCM is 54. Next, the product of two numbers is equal LCM into HCF. What is product of two numbers? Here given 18 and 27. LCM how much? 54. HCF you find. Now HCF is equal to 18 into 27 by 54. 15 taken this side. Here 15 multiply, taken outside, divided, then 18 into 27 by 54. So 27 1 ja, 27 2 ja. So 18 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 9 ja, 18. Therefore, here 18 and 27 HCF is